All right, everyone, listen up, because AI is moving faster than ever. And the reality is that if you're moving too slow, you're going to be left behind. It is 2026, and we now have access to a massive variety of powerful models, ranging from Grok and Sora 2 all the way to Cadence 2. All of these are capable of generating absolutely stunning visuals that will honestly have you glued to your screen. In this video, I'm going to be sharing something huge with you, an all-in-one hub where you can actually access and use all of these different tools in one place. But before we dive into the details and get into the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and definitely join our community by clicking the Discord link right down in my bio. So this right here is the specific AI tool that I was talking about, and honestly, this tool is truly a beast. As you can see, if you take a closer look right here, there is really and truly a lot that you can actually do with this AI. This isn't just a basic image and video generator, it actually has some really astonishing tools integrated directly into it. If you look over here at the main features, it has extensive tools like image to video, text to video, frames to video, talking avatar, video to anime, and many others that you can see here in the menu. The possibilities with this specific AI tool are basically endless. It even has AI editing features fully integrated right into the platform. If you further scroll down the main page, you can see the beautiful videos that people are generating using this AI right now. Let me play this one for you. Honestly, this is super good. The quality and everything just really adds up when it comes to realism, and even on real image and video generations, this tool has it all, and it executes it all perfectly. Now, if you scroll back up, I'm going to be testing out the image to video feature. So just click on image to video right here, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. If you take a closer look, you can see that there's specific tools for image to video, video to video, and text to video. You can even make a talking AI avatar using the features right here. Firstly, let's test out the image to video functionality. All you have to do is upload an image of your choice. I have this beautiful image of this woman on a sidewalk right here that I'm going to use. If you click right here, you can see that there are lots and lots of models that you can choose from. I recommend going with this specific model for faster speeds and much better overall results. Before it generates, you just need to scroll down and type in your prompt. For example, I would say, she realistically touches her hair while smiling. With a prompt like this, you can then scroll down and take the duration all the way up to 10 seconds, or leave it at 5, which I will do right now. For the aspect ratio, I am going to leave it at 9:16, because this is what we have with the original image. You can also turn watermarks on and off. I'm just going to turn this off, and then it generates. The AI tool begins to generate our video, and honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this AI tool will perform, because this is truly a real task for it. Okay, and our video is ready. Let's play this. Honestly, this is truly impressive. It has adhered to the prompt perfectly. If you take a closer look, she is walking and she touches her hair and smiles, which is truly perfect. You can choose to regenerate it right here if you do not like those specific results. Or, of course, you can click right here and download it straight to your device. So, now let's test out the video to video feature. Just click here, and we'll head over to this interface. Once again, first things first, upload the video you would like to edit. I'm just going to be uploading the one we just downloaded. For the style, they have a wide variety of styles to choose from, and they all look really good. Obviously, you have a wide variety to choose from, but I'm just going to leave it at Japanese anime, select it right here, and scroll down. For the prompts, I can just say something simple, like change the art style, just like this, and set the duration to 5 seconds, and hit generate. The AI tool is currently generating our video for us. Let's give this a minute and Our video is ready. Let's play this. This is honestly astonishing. It has changed everything, including the sunglasses. It kept all the little details and made it Japanese anime style. Once again, you can download this video straight into your device to keep it. You can also test out the text-to-video feature too by clicking on it right here, typing in a simple prompt like dog running on the street. Right here, selecting the model. I recommend using this and hitting generate. The AI tool begins to generate our video. Just give this some seconds and you have a video like this. And honestly, this is very good. So now you basically know how to use everything when it comes to video generation on this platform. Let's test out the talking avatar feature. All you have to do is head over to the main home tab, click right here on talking avatar, and upload an image of your choice. Once the image is uploaded, you can upload an audio of your choice as well to use, or you can use the text-to-speech feature, which I'll be using right here. You can choose your voice. They have a wide variety of
best way to predict
voices. I'm just gonna go with one and type in your script. For example, I would say, subscribe to Becky the AI Girl if you have made it this far into the video. You can also use the multi-speaker function, but I'm just gonna use the single speaker and generate this. Once this is done generating, just select it for the assets. You can type in your prompt and say something like, she smiles. Once again, you can change the duration. You can take it all the way up to 60 seconds. I'm just gonna leave this at this, turn off the watermark, and hit generate. Once again, the AI tool has finally begun generating our video for us. Just give it a minute or two, and you would have a video like this.
Subscribe to Becky the AI Girl if you have made it this far into the video.
Honestly, that's truly impressive. The lip sync and everything looks perfect. Now you've seen everything about the video generation features. This platform also has an inbuilt AI image generator, as you can see here. Type in the prompt and say AI realistic image of a woman with pink hair, just like this. For the style, I'll go with Fusion S1 for that realism. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, turn off watermarks, and hit generate. The AI tool is generating our image for us right now. And in just a few seconds, we have our image. Honestly, it has generated 4 different images and they all look really nice. These are the amazing, extensive capabilities of this specific AI tool. And lastly, if you ever head back over to the Home tab, you're going to see an option for the talking avatar feature. Once you click on that, it will bring you right into this specific interface here. Now, right from the get-go, you'll notice something pretty impressive. You can actually use a video file as your primary source material for the talking avatar. This is a really powerful feature to have at your disposal. Honestly, I think this might be the only AI tool out there right now that fully supports video input like this. So that is actually some really great news for anyone looking to level up their content. So yeah, that pretty much covers everything I wanted to show you for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.